welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Sprite biscuits. It is a 3-ingredient recipe. It's going to take 2 cups of Biscuit, some Sprite, and some sour cream, and that's it. You need to preheat your oven to 450. I'm going to do mine to 425 because I don't want it to cook too fast. So this is 2 cups of Biscuit, plain Biscuit, the original. I use my whisk and kind of try to break up the lumps or any lumps that was in there. I've already got an 8x8 or a 9x9 square dish with about a half a stick of butter melted in it. There's my Sprite. It's going to take a half a cup of that. And I'm going to let that sit there for just 1 second. And now I'm getting my half a cup of sour cream. Putting that in there. Alright, and we'll stir this up. Alright, so you treat Biscuit just like you would flour when you're making biscuits. It's a really sticky dough. I'm just going to form these myself instead of rolling them out and cutting them. And pray that I have enough room in this pan. I typically would not put them in something this small. I'd put them in something a lot bigger where they can basically get larger. So I'm going to try to, I don't know if you can see it, I'm going to try to squeeze them in this little bitty pan, but they are going to look some kind of crazy. Okay. I definitely like dealing with just straight up flour better than Biscuit. Something about the Biscuit to me is just not what I would like for biscuits. Okay, I only got 6 out. I probably did them just a teeny bit too big, but it's supposed to be 3 more than this. But I'm gonna just put them in the oven and we'll see what happens. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is finished product. I just took it out of the oven right before I put it in. I dusted it some more with the Biscuit just to kind of make it, you know, a little bit more homemade looking. But they seem like they turned out perfectly. I'm okay with the way they look. Other people may not be. But, I mean, my boys are not going to care. They're just not. So, they're not pretty on the back, but they rose to perfection. And I probably could have squeezed out, you know, made it more uniform, but they turned out perfectly, and they're not sticking to the pan either. So, I'm fixing to get all these plated up with some supper, and I'm going to feed these people. So, really easy, really simple. I've never used a carbonated beverage to make biscuits before. So maybe we may try this again, maybe another time. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all next time.